Hi friends, this is Surbi Handa and I welcome you all to my channel Learn English with me. Today was a great day as it finally rained. So did you experience light rains or heavy rains? Well, we experienced heavy rains, or I can say I experienced downpours. So what is the word for light rains then? It is drizzling, right? So let us try to replace your old words with the new ones. If you are very busy, you can say I'm occupied. If you're very tired, the other word is I'm swamped or I am exhausted. If you see a large building, you can say this building is colossal. This building is colossal. If you see someone performing an amazing performance, you can say this performance is scintillating, right? If you see someone very, very beautiful, you can say she's gorgeous. If you see that two persons have got a very good relation, very close relation, you can say they share an intimate relation with each other, right? So these are few words. Try to imbibe these words in your daily life and improve your English. Thank you so much. This is Surbi Handa and I'm signing out right now, but would come up with few more words and sentence framing next time. Stay tuned with me. Bye. Thank you.